Flip. Hi, Whirley. What you gonna do today?
Oh, I was just thinking about calling our friends at Crystal Glass Window Cleaning. Oh, those guys.
Yeah. I hate them. I hate them too. Well, give me your phone, Flip. Wait, I don't have a flip phone.
No, not
a flip phone. I mean, give me your phone, Flip. Oh, yeah, okay. Here, okay, yeah. I'm gonna call him. Okay. No, he's gonna love this.
yes.
I always have such trouble with these touch screens. Just maybe, okay, maybe do you have a flip phone, Flip? No, I don't have a flip. Apparently I do. Here you go.
Hello, and thank you for calling Crystal Glass Window Cleaning.
Hi, sir. I would not like my windows cleaned.
Okay.
Yeah, I would like you to not...
What's your name, sir?
Whirly?
Whirly, you say?
Yes, I would like you to
Interesting.
not clean my windows.
Yeah, it's kind of the
Or
opposite of
anybody
what
else's
we
windows,
do.
for that matter, ever again. Thank you.
Dang birds.
Crystal Glass Window Cleaning. People love us, birds hate us.